So, hello everyone, my name is Manish Pesne. Today I am going to talk about how to concatenate two string with adding two numbers. Just like here we can see uh, 12, 12 and 28. We can add both numbers. Then what is the what is the answer? 40. 40 is the answer. We need to write 40 in a last of the string. Okay, we can see here here we write 40 in the last of the string. Okay, just like we need to create one program to by using what some replace methods, then we perform this program. Okay, let's go. Okay, I use VS Code to create string variable as a yes, name as a yes. We write here student 12. Okay, the student 12 is here, and string m, whatever you can declare any name. This is a name of a variable, this is a name of a value. uh, uh, okay, then second name is youtube 28. Okay, 28. Whatever number is not matter matter only the code, what kind of code you write and what kind of logic you build. Okay, that's what matter. uh, there is there is no matter what number you can take. I take 12 and 28. Okay, no? Then we need to write one string, because of we we separately declare some uh, alphabets here. We are separating numbers and alphabets. Student and 12 we are separating. Just like here writing, I am s1 variable I am creating now. And replace replace is a one method in a string. By using this method, we can replace the no, we can separate the numbers and string. Okay, then we need to write what double dot and double quote and square brackets and except. This is the except symbol. What character you want to what character you want to write here, we can accept. Okay, then I want to a to z wait, a to z character I want. Then small a to small z, I want that kind of person, and replacement with double dot. Okay, this is a replacement in Java. Then second one is int. Because of this string method replace all replace numbers, and only there are stored in a string values. There is no store any numbers. Because of there we write only a to z, there is we not write any numbers. Okay, we write numbers here. Because of string cannot be converted into int directly. Okay, we need to write one wrapper class method. That method name is, we can say with array. We can write any kind of name you can declare. I declare e. Okay, integer dot pass int. Here one predefined method are there. They can this method, they automatically separate the numbers. Means they convert string number into the integer. Okay, now here writing same, replace all all and except 0. We need to separate here what numbers, then we write 0 to 9. Okay, because our in our number in our tables there are only 0 to 9's number. Okay, there are also number, but they pair with 0 and 9's numbers. That's why we write 0 and 9's and semicolon. After that we need to if you have time then you can write them, but I didn't. If we can copy and paste here because of there are same say s2 and s1. Okay, a1. Okay, sorry. After that here wait here you need to write s dot. Sorry, I forget it. Here also write s not m dot. Okay, m dot. And here also need to write m dot. Wait yes dot. And here we here we write yes. Wait just a second, I have some misconfusion. I will solve this. Here we write m. Okay, we can see here we can write one replace method. By using replace method they delete the in a string they delete the numbers. Okay, and here we can write s method delete the characters, means string. They delete the string, only numbers replace they and store in a variables. Okay, just like here. Now it's time to concatenate. Here we write one string. Okay, string is equals to s1 and wait s1 plus s2. Oh wait here I am not trying. Here I am give name s3. Okay, whatever variable you have you can take that name. int a2. Okay, a plus a2 a1. Okay, now we are concatenate with numbers and string. After that we need to write here one system out dot print. Okay, and here we write s3 plus a2 because of wait I explain what happening in the program. Okay, let's see here. Okay, first of all we create two string. After that I replace that string with integer with the string. Okay, there are only stored in string. And after that we create one integer, means all of the integer are there. They convert string into the integer. Okay, after convert the string they store in a variables. Okay, same here also, same formula here also. Then s3 and s1 and s2 they concatenate with each other. Okay, they concatenate with one variables. That variable's name is s3. Okay, then student and YouTube store in a s3. Okay, after that here we can store a1 and a2, means what is the answer of our numbers. Then the answer is 40. Okay, they store in a a2. Okay, and after that we concatenate with both variables. Let's see our output. What is our output? Here we can see student YouTube 40, means what I want. Okay, that's all about today's program. Bye. We will meet next video. Bye.